Hello, future doctors, and welcome back to Medical 360. If you gave the NEET 2026 exam, you already know that the biology section was brutally tricky. It had a massive 11% hard questions, making it the toughest biology paper in our entire 5 exam data set. Because of this, I see students panicking, reading out of syllabus modules, and stressing over complex statement questions. Stop doing that right now. We have analyzed 940 questions across 5 historical exams, including AIPMT 2015, NEET 2024, yes, and obviously the original NEET 2026. The data shows that when an exam is retested, biology heavily shifted towards direct NCERT recall. In re-NEET 2024, statement-based questions actually dropped from 27 down to 18. For re-NEET 2026, we predict the NCERT dependency for biology will increase to a massive 83 to 87%. Today, I'm giving you the exact blueprint and the top 4 biology chapters that will guarantee your 340 plus score. So before we move ahead, we need to thank SRM University for sponsoring this particular video, and don't forget to subscribe Medical 360. Dear ones, moving ahead. So over here, what you can actually have a look on, that if I talk about for AI PMT 2015 easy percentage, original exam 49, retest it increased to 52%. In case of biology I'm talking about, that means it got increased. For NEET 2024 statement questions, there were 17 questions in the original exam. In the retest, it decreased to 14 questions. If I talk about the hard percentage, original exam it was 11%. For retest exam, it was 4 to 7% expected. So if I now talk about for NEET 2026 hard percentage, in the original exam, it was 11%, and what we are expecting that it will be reducing to 4 to 7%. So reduction is expected in biology paper. NCERT dependence, 78% in NEET 2026 original one. So what we are forecasting that it will be increasing to 83 to 87%. That means for biology, the pattern will be highly NCERT based. Let's look at the big picture. Where are your 90 questions coming from? If I talk about for botany, plant physiology, 5 to 10 questions, and genetics and molecular biology, 6 to 10 questions are the undisputed kings. Ecology is your massive safe zone, consistently dropping 5 to 8 questions. Just have a look over here. In zoology, human physiology is a monster, giving you 8 to 14 questions. Reproduction and genetics gives you another 4 to 8 questions each. The best news, biology is the most reliably simplified subject in a retest. While chemistry gets harder, NTA uses biology to balance the paper. Expect the easy percentage to rise back up to near about 40 to 45% range. So over here, you can just have a look to the blueprint, what we are expecting out based on previous 5 examination. Major unit, human physiology, key chapters cover digestion, breathing, circulation, excretion, neural, endocrine. Expected questions 8 to 14. Talking about genetics and molecular biology, inheritance and variation, molecular basis. Expected questions 10 to 18 questions combined. Talking about plant physiology, photosynthesis, respiration, transport, nutrition, growth, expected question 5 to 10. For ecology, ecosystem, organism, biodiversity, environmental issues, expected questions 5 to 8. For biotechnology, principles and processes, applications, expected questions 4 to 8 questions. Now, grab your NCERTs and highlight these chapters immediately. Based on our 5 exam analysis, these 4 chapters are the highest yielding in the entire syllabus. Number 1, cell, the unit of life. Yes, this is the ultimate anchor. Across 5 exams, this single chapter yielded a staggering 25 questions. What does NTA ask? They are obsessed with matching organisms to their functions. You will almost always see a question on 9+2 arrangement of cilia and the chromosome shapes based on centromeres. Number 2, principle of inheritance and variation. This chapter dropped 24 questions historically. It is a high weightage heavy hitter. Now, what does NTA ask? Guaranteed questions include pedigree analysis. Rest you can have a look. Talking about chapter number 3, that is biotechnology, 20 plus historical questions and 6 in NEET 2026 alone. Chapter number 4, animal kingdom. It's a perfectly stable chapter, dropping exactly 4 questions per paper. So now if I talk about the high weightage chapters, 5 exam in total. Cell, the unit of life, 25 questions, last 5 exam. If I talk about its volatility status, it's stable, always high. Principle of inheritance, 24 questions. So it comes in danger zone. It can be tricky. For biotechnology, 20 plus questions. It's rising. Animal kingdom, 20 questions. Is stable. Exactly 4 questions per exam. Let's talk exam strategy. You must respect the rising chapters. Aside from biotech, evolution is a chapter NTA targets in retest. In the NEET 2024 retest, evolution spiked to 7 questions, so do not ignore it. Now let's talk about the danger zone. If you see a complex multi-statement questions that eats up your time, it's highly likely from molecular basis of inheritance. NTA uses this chapter to set tricky, high-order application questions, so do not get trapped. On the flip side, ecology is your ultimate safe zone. Chapters like biodiversity and plant and animal kingdom are historically linked to the easiest, most direct scoring question in the paper. So if I now just talk about the expected strategy, safe zones, high yield topics. So it's basically NCERT scoring, don't overthink them. Targeted chapters, animal kingdom, biological classification, biodiversity and conservation. For danger zone, that is a bit tricky. Linked to the hardest, most tricky statement or application questions. So the targeted chapters, they are molecular basis of inheritance, principle of inheritance. The rising trends, spiking in frequency during retest, those are evolution and biotechnology. To sum it up, stop reading outside the NCERT. Focus heavily on cell biology, genetics, biotech and ecology. Secure your easy marks first and expect a highly factual scoring biology paper for re-NEET 2026. Which of these 4 chapters is your strongest right now? Drop it in the comments. Hit that subscribe button for more Medical 360 data-backed updates and keep studying smart.